Welcome to class number 12 of the Leaving Cert Ordinary Level Algebra course, where you are going to start solving simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations have two unknowns, like x and y. They consist of two equations. Let's say that two numbers, x and y, add to give 6. This can be written as x plus y equals 6. When you take away the two numbers, you get 2. You can write this as x minus y equals 2. Can you guess what the missing numbers x and y are? The numbers are 4 and 2. You need a technique for solving for x and y. You can add the two equations together. X plus x is 2x. The y's cancel. 6 plus 2 is 8. Solving for x gives x equals 4. To find the other solution, take your value of x and put it into any one of the equations, say the first one. Now solve for y to get a solution of y equals 2. Here are the 4 steps to solving simultaneous linear equations. Example 1. Solve the following simultaneous equations for x and y. Step 1. Get the x's and y's on one side and the number on the other. This is already done. Call them equations 1 and 2. Step 2. Eliminate the y's. They look easier than the x's. Multiply equation 1 by 2. So you have the same number of y's, but with different signs. Equation 1 becomes 4x plus 2y equals 16. Add the equations to give 7x equals 21. Step 3. Solve for x to get x is equal to 3. Step 4. Substitute this value of x into equation 1. X is replaced by 3. Solve for y to get y is equal to 2. The solutions are x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Example 2. Solve the following simultaneous equations for x and y. Step 1. Get the x's and y's on one side and the numbers on the other. This is already done. Call them equations 1 and 2. Step 2. Eliminate the y's. Multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. So you have the same number of y's, but with different signs. Equation 1 becomes 4x plus 6y is equal to 10. And equation 2 becomes 9x minus 6y is equal to 42. Add the equations to give 13x equals 52. Step 3. Solve for x to get x is equal to 4. Step 4. Substitute this value of x into equation 1. X is replaced by 4. Solve for y. Y equals minus 1. The solutions are x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1. Example 3. Solve the following simultaneous equations for x and y. Step 1. Get the x's and y's on one side and the number on the other. The first equation needs some work. Multiply across by 12 to get rid of the fractions. The first equation becomes 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. Rearrange the terms of the second equation to get 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Call the equations 1 and 2. Step 2. Eliminate the x's. Multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by minus 3. So you have the same number of x's, but with different signs. Equation 1 becomes 6x minus 8y is equal to 20. And equation 2 becomes minus 6x plus 9y is equal to minus 18. Add the equations to give y is equal to 2. Step 3. Solve for y to get y is equal to 2. Step 4. Substitute this value of y into equation 2. Y is replaced by 2. Solve for x. X is equal to 6. The solutions are x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 2. That's the end of the class. Have a look at the demonstration examples, and when you think you are ready, do the exercise worksheet.